You should not buy a home in 2024 unless you have done the following 4 things. And I know some of this may be a bit uncomfortable, but you've got to do it. Number 1, you have enough saved for the down payment and closing costs. You will typically need at least 3 to 5% of the purchase price. So on a $400,000 house, you'll need to have at least $20,000 in liquid savings or able to get that from a family member as a gift. Now, this is if you're not using any special first-time homebuyer programs. Number 2, ask yourself if homeownership is right for you. Meaning, are you planning to stay in the area for the next several years? Are you okay dealing with some maintenance issues? And number 3, have a serious discussion with your spouse, if you have one, about how much is the absolute max you would feel comfortable paying each month. Be sure to be realistic with this figure. As a lender, I can often make you house poor. And number 4, sit down with a lender and a real estate agent who specialize in helping first-time buyers. They will go through all the preparation steps you need so that you can feel confident and prepared.